everybody. Bob Sutherland, Sutherland Plumbing. I just want to let everybody know that good tips for us is if you know anybody that has a problem that they've had plumbers out, nobody can figure it out. We're one of the companies that we're not going to come out and try to charge somebody for every minute we're on the job if it's something that can't be figured out. We're here to help people as well. Sometimes, unfortunately, we lose money on some of these weird things, but it just gives us more knowledge, so the next time, somebody has a problem with the same thing, we can probably figure it out a lot quicker. So just keep that in mind. We get a lot of calls. We're like the investigators. I mean, we're going to go in and find it no matter what, no matter how many trips it takes. So thanks so much.